Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Finding trending sounds on TikTok is essential if you want your videos to go viral and reach more people. Let me break this down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon to create a new video. Once you're in the camera view, look for the sound icon, which appears as a music note at the top of your screen. Tap that icon to access the sound library where all the magic happens. Step 2. You'll see the sound selection page. At the top, there's a search bar and a few tabs including Discover. Click on Discover to see the latest trending sounds that creators are using right now. This is where you'll find the hottest audio trending across the platform. Step 3. Scroll through the Discover section to browse different sounds. You'll notice each sound has a small counter showing how many videos use it. The higher the number, the more trending it is. Pay attention to sounds with millions of uses because those are guaranteed to boost your visibility. Step 4. Another great way to find trending sounds is by exploring the For You page. Watch videos in your feed and when you hear a sound you like, tap on the sound name at the bottom of the video. This takes you directly to that sounds page where you can see how many creators are using it and jump on the trend immediately. Step 5. Finally, follow TikTok creators in your niche and pay attention to the sounds they're using. Many successful creators document their process, and watching their content helps you stay ahead of trends. You can also check the hashtag pages for trending sounds by searching hashtags like trending sounds or must use audio to discover emerging audio quickly.